Hello guys, Manoj here. In this video, we are going to talk about the upcoming Android version 14 codenamed Upside Down Cake. This version will give you more considerable change for Android users. The first developer preview on February, then beta releases in April, and then final stable OT updates will be in August 2023. Developer preview supported phones. These are the phones which supports Android 14 officially. For the past few years, Android can't able to beat Apple due to their operating system optimization. Let's see what are the new upcoming changes in Android 14. You can use mobile as a web camera. The first thing is, if your laptop doesn't have a web camera or your camera quality is low, now there is no need to worry about it because you can transform your Android mobile into a webcam easily with a new useful update. These updates will be really useful for many gaming laptops because they are having poor camera quality for many decades. The next thing is easy bloatware removal. You can easily remove all the bloatwares in Android 14. The popular devices like Xiaomi, Redmi, Vivo, Oppo, many devices having lots of bloatwares in built applications. And the problem is we can't able to delete those applications. Now it's our turn, we can easily uninstall any applications in this Android version 14. Another update about the RAM management. So there is no need to buy 12 gigs RAM mobile phone. Android is very well optimized for softwares like iPhone in this upcoming version. So 6 gigs of RAM is enough to run all the apps smoothly. Advanced memory protection beta. Google is very much caring about the device security. This is a needed update because most Android apps comes with bugs. This feature will protect all of your devices from different bugs and ensure to protect device security properly. So it is very poor situation for malware and spyware. They can't roam around anymore with this type of powerful security. The next thing is controlling battery drain. Android 14 will highly reserve background applications and keeps the battery last longer. The main reason for battery drain is because internal broadcast Android services. These service always eats battery forcefully. The Android system in the new update will not make up for broadcast services frequently. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.